another kitchen gadget that you probably did not know you needed, but it's under recommend you grab one to make your chicken shredding process so much quicker and so much easier. I am shredding chicken thighs today. I was making some chicken noodle soup, and the finer you want your chicken to be, the more you're going to spin the spinner. You want to make sure that you're going one way, and I'm going a little slow because I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to do this. So I initially spin around about 5 times. The pieces were still a little bit big for me for my soup liking, so I kind of tossed it around a little bit with my tongues, put the lid back on, spinned a couple of more times, and baby, it was perfect. And as you can see, this chicken is piping hot, honey. I didn't have to wait for it to cool down. I normally use 2 forks to shred my chicken or put some gloves on and pull it apart with my hand, but baby, ain't nobody got time for that. I put it right in this device and it did it in less than 30 seconds. Get you one from the